temp I don't know why that's a funny word for me to say. Temperature. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and coming on back. First, let me thank all of my new subscribers. I've been reading all of your positive feedback and I really appreciate all the support. And if you have any more suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. I look forward to reading them and I do answer back. And if you want to join the Time with April family, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button along with the notification bell, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload a video. So today I'm going to bring to you another simple recipe. It's a Southwestern enchilada casserole. I really wanted to get this video up last weekend, but unfortunately it just didn't happen. But I got it for you today, and if you want to see how I make it, then just keep watching. So I'm going to use a package of corn tortillas. I'm going to use between 24 and 28 of them, and also a can of sweet corn. And I also drained and rinsed 2 cans of black beans. I went ahead and chopped 1 red and 1 green bell pepper. And I'm also going to use a mixture of cheddar cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, a tablespoon of jalapeno sauce, and 3½ cups of red enchilada sauce. So in a medium bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my enchilada sauce and my jalapeno sauce, but depending on how hot you like it, you can add as much as you like. And just grab a spoon or a spatula and begin mixing everything together. And now I'm going to start building my enchilada casserole. Okay, so now I'm ready to coat the bottom of my dish, and if you don't have any oil on hand, then go ahead and use some of that sauce that I mixed earlier, and this is just to keep everything from sticking at the bottom. Now I'm ready to cover the bottom of the dish with 6 corn tortillas. I'm going to go ahead and take a cup of the enchilada sauce and pour it over the corn tortillas. So now I'm just going to take a brush and make sure that all the tortillas is coated really well and covered with the enchilada sauce. Now I'm ready to add the black beans, and I'm going to add those on top, and make sure that you only use half of them because you're going to use the other half later. Right behind that, I'm going to add half of my corn on top of the black beans. It's time to add half of the chopped green and red bell peppers. And now I'm going to top it off with a cup and a half of shredded cheddar cheese and Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the exact same steps using the rest of the ingredients until I'm all done. For the final layer, I'm just going to add the last 6 corn tortillas, and I'm going to coat that with the last cup of enchilada sauce, and I'm going to top it with the rest of my cheese. Now I tend to go a little overboard, but that's just me. I've already preheated my oven at 375 degrees, and I'm going to bake it off for 45 minutes. The casserole is baked, the cheese is melted, it looks golden brown, so now I'm just going to let it cool down for 10 minutes. This is a great one-dish dinner if you're a vegetarian or if you just don't feel like eating meat. It's delicious, it's packed full of flavor, and it's so easy to make. You can add salsa, some sour cream, or top it off with some avocado, whatever you like. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this video because sharing is caring. And if you have any questions or if you give this recipe a try, please leave it in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button down below, and make sure you click on those notifications just so you know every time I upload a video. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see on the screen. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye bye.